Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Orange English. I'm Olivia, and I'm so happy to have you here today. Today, we are going to learn how to talk about future plans in English. Talking about your plans for the future is important for conversations with friends, family, classmates, or coworkers. It helps you share your goals, schedule events, and make plans politely and clearly. Have you ever wanted to talk about your plans but weren't sure how to use the correct words in English? Or maybe you wanted to ask someone about their future plans but felt nervous about making the question polite? Don't worry. In this episode, we will learn simple and natural ways to talk about the future. You'll learn phrases and sentence structures that are easy to use for beginners. Today, we will practice using future tense phrases like will, going to, and plan to, talking about personal and shared plans, asking others about their plans politely, using time expressions like tomorrow, next week, in the future, responding to plans naturally and politely. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to share your plans and ask about others' plans confidently in English. Remember, you don't need complicated sentences. Simple, clear, and polite phrases are enough. Take a deep breath, think about your next weekend or holiday, and let's practice talking about your future plans clearly and politely. Talking about the future in English is simple if you follow a few key rules. Step 1, use future tense structures. Will, I will go to the park tomorrow. Going to, I'm going to visit my grandparents next week. Plan to, I plan to study English every day. Step 2, add time expressions. Time expressions make your sentence clear. Tomorrow, next week, this weekend, in the future, soon. Step 3, talk about personal plans. I will cook dinner tonight. I'm going to read a new book. I plan to exercise every morning. Step 4, ask politely about others' plans. What are you going to do this weekend? Do you have any plans for tomorrow? Will you join us next Friday? Step 5, respond naturally. Yes, I'm going to the park. No, I don't have any plans yet. I plan to relax at home. Example conversation, what are you going to do next weekend? I'm going to visit my friends. How about you? I plan to stay home and read a book. Using these structures makes your sentences easy to understand and polite in conversations. Let's practice asking and answering about future plans. Personal plans? Question, what will you do tomorrow? Answer, I will go shopping. Question, are you going to study tonight? Answer, yes, I'm going to practice English. Making plans with friends? Question, do you want to go to the park this weekend? Answer, sure, I plan to go on Saturday morning. Asking politely about others' plans? Question, will you join us for lunch tomorrow? Answer, I'm sorry, I have another plan, maybe next time. Time expressions practice? Next week, I will visit my grandparents. This weekend, I'm going to watch a movie. In the future, I plan to learn a new language. Practicing these Q&A examples will help you feel confident talking about future plans in English. Talking about future plans is important in daily social interactions. With friends or classmates. What are you going to do after school? I plan to join the football practice. With teachers or coworkers. Will you attend the meeting tomorrow? I'm going to finish the report by Friday. In public or social events. Do you have any plans for the holiday? Yes, I plan to travel with my family. Polite responses. That sounds great. I hope you have fun. Maybe we can do it together next time. Tips. Use clear future tense structures. Use time expressions like tomorrow, next week, or in the future. Speak slowly and politely. Smile to make your conversation friendly. Talking about future plans clearly helps you communicate well and build better relationships. We've reached the end of today's episode. Today, we learned how to talk about future plans in English. We practiced using will, going to, and plan to, added time expressions, and learned how to ask politely about others' plans. We also practiced responding naturally and politely. Remember, simple, clear, and polite sentences are enough to communicate your plans. You don't need long or complicated phrases. Short and natural sentences work best for beginners. Here is your practice for today. Say these out loud. I will visit my friend tomorrow. I'm going to watch a movie this weekend. Do you have any plans for next week? Try asking friends, classmates, or family about their plans today. Practicing will help you speak confidently and politely about future events. Thank you for listening to Orange English. I'm Olivia, and I'm proud of you for practicing today. See you in the next episode. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and enjoy talking about your future plans in English.